Hi everyone, welcome to Princess Royal Cuisine. Today I'm back with tasty Italian cuisine called Chicken Shrimp Alfredo. Every week I post new international exotic cuisine which are easy to make. So make sure that you subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so that you will not miss my videos. Now let's start with the preparation. Here I have taken 1 lb of boneless chicken. Into that I am adding around 500 ml of chicken broth, which I am going to cook around 15 to 20 minutes. I am adding some salt as per taste. In other pan I kept some water, adding some salt and 1 tablespoon of oil. Here I am going to cook the spaghetti. I have taken around half lb of spaghetti. Instead of spaghetti you can also use pasta. Let the spaghetti well cook. Once it cooked well, drain the water and keeping this spaghetti in a side. In meanwhile, I have taken 1 lb of shrimp. Into that I am adding some black pepper and salt and marinating for 15 minutes. Now the chicken cooked well. I am transferring into a plate. Once it cooled down, I am making some cubes, which I am going to use later. In a pan, I added 4 tablespoons of butter. Into that I am adding marinated shrimps and frying well. I am frying around 3 to 4 minutes. Now shrimps are fried well. I am transferring into a plate. In the same pan I am adding 1 small piece of onion and 3 to 4 garlic cloves, which I am frying until they become brown color. Here I am adding around 40 ml of white wine, which enhance the taste of the Alfredo. So now I am adding chicken broth. Some pepper as per the spice and little salt. Here I am adding fresh 500 ml of cream and mixing all the ingredients together. Now Alfredo sauce is ready. Let the sauce simmer for some time. Once the bubbles started to come out, I am adding cooked spaghettis and mixing together. Into that I am adding cooked chicken as well as fried shrimps. Giving a good stir. Now I am adding Parmesan cheese around 200 gram. You can use generous amount of cheese which gives a delicious taste. Now cheese started to melt. I am garnishing with parsley leaves. Wow, look at that. The tasty chicken shrimp Alfredo is ready to serve. At present my kitchen is smelling awesome. Do try in your home and share your feedback. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.